Who's your friend who likes to play ping pong, ping pong?
Bienvenidos al Emotional Whirlwind. Para su seguridad, recuerden permanecer sentados con el cinturón bien abrochado y mantener manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del recuerdo móvil en todo momento. ¡Felices!
The emotional whirlwind is lifting off. Okay, so what that means is the spinning is about to start. So if that's your idea of fun, then yeah, go have fun. Oh, sure it's fun. It's like, oh my gosh, we're going nowhere! Remember, try to be cool.
You all look cool to me.
I don't know how to be cool!
Woo-hoo! Wow, thanks so much for screaming. You sure are an emotional bunch. Now please stay seated until the whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for one of our mind workers to open the door for you. Well, that wasn't so terrible. But you might want to check your hair, because wow,